pretty obvious. You can see that the wood is actually deteriorating and soft. You hear a lot of people say wood rot happened when they took the lead out of the paint. Well, it's quite the opposite. Paint is superior to most modern wood. Like, we'll go to homes and they have no idea they have wood rot because the outside skin has got the paint on it and the paint is holding it all together. And then when you touch it, it collapses because the substrate or the wood underneath it is completely shot. And that's because new wood doesn't last like old wood used to. It's just fastly grown soft pine, not properly treated or kiln or anything. And so it ages and rots much faster than old wood does. And so, but indications are corners that the weakest part of lumber is where it's been cut and the fibers are exposed. They act like a sponge. They absorb moisture, and then it just rots and just keeps working down the wood. But you'll be able to see it usually. But you check the corners and you start from there. But then you'll actually have to touch the lumber to see if it's solid or if it's soft, because, like I said, the paint is a skin, and if you don't touch it, you don't know if it's solid underneath it or if it's not. It's, again, obvious stuff where water sets. Like the top part of a window, water doesn't, defy gravity, so you don't have to worry about that rotting. But on top of that, well, it could be rotted as heck because the water's been sitting up there, or moisture's been sitting up there. And then it doesn't even take water anymore. The sun, western and southern facing windows that are wood frames, the sun just eats the wood. It just destroys it and makes it so much more affected by moisture. And the contraction and expansion opens the fibers and moisture gets stuck in there. So, it's very visual. Most painters will hide it. They'll Bondo it or caulk it in or fill it in and stuff like that. And those are Band-Aids only. That's a very short-term solution, because just in a couple of months, that wood is going to contract and expand from being in the sun in the day and being in the shadow in the evening or in the morning. And that contraction expansion is going to cause the caulking or Bondo to separate. And then the moisture is going to get it. And almost every homeowner that's lived in their house anytime at all, if they've ever patched or fixed wood rot, they know the next year they're going to have to patch and fix it again, because the rot has just spread on down from where they patched. Again, there is a short-term fix to it, and that is patching it. You can get Bondo and different chemical components like that, or caulk it in, and again, those are Band-Aids. It's like if you have a bad tire and you keep patching it, yeah, you can get another day out of it, but if it goes flat tomorrow, you're putting another patch on. Eventually it just comes to the point where you're better off getting a new tire. Well, the very same thing's true with windows, and wood rot to replace it is so expensive that, yes, it's cheaper than buying a whole new window, but if you have to do this all again in just a couple of short years, just get the window and skip that. But everybody's got different budgets and affordability, things like that. But I would tell you that replacing it is a far more economical solution for the long term than constantly patching or repair.